In a political development which is massive, Manipur BJP MLA and former Minister Toksham Radhesham on Wednesday has subbed, and I quote, all 44 MLAs of the BJP have agreed to form the government in the state of Manipur as per wishes of people, but the final decision will be taken by the central leadership. Toksham has also made this statement after he, along with 9 other MLAs, met the governor at Raj Bhavan. 10 of us MLAs visited the governor as representatives of all to explain our position. That's what he has said. Remember, the state of Manipur has been under president rule since 13th of February this year. My colleague Ratnadeep joins us with more details on this. Ratnadeep, a big, massive development here. Tell us, and all of this happening at a time when Imphal Valley has also been witnessing protests by Meitei groups. Now, BJP MLA saying that 44 of the legislators are set to form the government. Where does the decision lie now? Does the BJP leadership have to take the final call, and have they met the governor? What do we know so far?
This is a significant development, but let me tell you, this kind of claims have come in past as well. Only last month, the same set of MLAs had actually written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, even to Union Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah, the party leadership, asking that the party MLAs feel that they should be together to form a popular government in the state. Now, significantly to date, again, 10 MLAs led by former Minister and BJP MLA Toksham Radhesham Singh, and out of those 10 MLAs, there were 8 from the BJP had met Governor A.K. Bhalla, and where after meeting the governor, they came out and they told the media that they have once again expressed their wish to the governor that the people want a popular government to be restored in Manipur. Remember, in February this year, the precedent rule was imposed in Manipur after the then Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had resigned. But the MLAs here, they claim that about 44 MLAs out of the total 60 want a popular government to be formed, and they have expressed these views. However, the decision will have to be taken by the central leadership. Remember, this comes also within hours of last night's meeting between Mr. N. Biren Singh and the governor, Mr. A.K. Bhalla, their first meeting inside Raj Bhavan after Mr. Biren Singh had resigned. And as you rightly pointed out, it comes at a very crucial time when there have been protests in the valley region of Manipur. The Meitei civil society groups really asking for apology for the Manipur's name being removed from government bus signage, and there are issues on which in fact MHA officials have met Meitei civil society groups. So there are some rumblings happening in Imphal Valley. And in between, these MLAs have once again gone to the governor and said that, look, 44 people are ready and they want a popular government to be installed. Having said that, remember when last time they had sent this letter, they had sent a representation to New Delhi. The Northeast in charge of BJP MP Sambit Patra had visited the state. He had spoken to each one of the MLAs and had gone back to center to report the situation. And at this moment, it's unclear whether even this time when these MLAs are claiming that there are MLAs who wants to form a popular government, whether center is really ready to withdraw the president's rule in Manipur. Right. Remember, the assembly is not dissolved; it is only only kept in abeyance. So therefore, right, this is a very significant development. However, the meeting last night between the former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and the governor holds a lot of significance, given the fact that next
this plays
day,
out, or is this like one of the many claims that Manipur MLAs have made? Let's also listen in to what BJP MLA and former Minister Toksham Radhesham said today.
How's Manipur Oreva Nangi Waltabi incident in Matung Oreva Yumse? See Matanga already a MLA Mayam, the Tapagi, Akone Maitaba, Pendo, Pongokre, Action Lawan in Bahana, Pongokre, Dungasisi, Aduga Marilena Pongo Marilena, Prazamayam Supamba, popular government, and Siamari. Maida Mota, Mayam, MLA, Nifumari. Loinamong Saka, no CMC, Yare. Saka, CMC, CM Novakoi, MLA, Loinamong, ready later Prazaya Pamba, Sulaire, Aquamiam, so Saka, Semba Yare, I will do a governor, Quay, Rubini, Aduga, Topa, one solution, take it over,